Good morning. Kowa is a bit clingy today. Ayaw niya mag-walk kasi gusto niya magpa-carry lang kay mommy. You say good morning, daddy. You say good morning, daddy. Blow a kiss, be. Blow a kiss, blow a kiss. Hi, daddy. Nag-birthday ko, daddy. Nag-iyak ako kanina, daddy. Wala di ikaw, daddy. Daddy, we are eating breakfast na, daddy. You say, hi, daddy. Blow a kiss ka, daddy. Blow a kiss to daddy.